What's up, dude?
What's going on, fellas?
Hey,
buddy. Guys,
brother. Good to see you.
Teammate, brother. Whoa.
How you been?
Yeah, man.
Oh, what do you want to do
I don't
there?
know.
You want to try again?
I wanted to be more.
Hi, Jeremy.
I was going in more for an intimate one there.
You just edit that out.
Now we're gonna keep all the awkward. I mean, we have an awkward thing going on.
Yeah, I mean, definitely awkward. So, this is the Freedom Factory. I'm gonna show you around.
Sure.
Show you the grass and everything.
Come on, bud.
So,
please, guys. Brother, man. Dude, good to see you, man.
All we did was change the radiator.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, all we did was change the radiator.
Who's this? Who's this? Who is this?
Mr. Ron Burgholz.
What the f, dude? What the f? It's so long, man.
Coop, this is a real gem that we got here. Give us a breakdown on this thing here.
I've been told it's a leftover. This is actually the first time I'm really seeing it from last race that didn't get destroyed and didn't get used because it had a bad fuel pump. So it's got a fresh fuel pump in it, but frankly, it sounds rough. Like,
dude, when they pulled it up, it just about stalled.
Yeah, like it idles down and then like loses a couple cylinders, then idles back up and gains them again.
All right, so Garrett said where the holes are drilled on the exhaust, it's a little bit too far upstream and that could freak out the mixture.
He gave us an event promoter excuse for sure.
Nice.
That was the old appeasement. And then
I could have suggested a better number right there, dude.
So.
What's up, brother? Doing good, man. Doing good.
Dude, who got this car? This looks like a piece of crap.
Yeah.
Still, I'm a little jealous of the number right there.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it was a good call. That was
Yeah,
actually.
The key tag was 1770.
Oh, hell yes, dude.
Sick.
It might not have been from this car, but we'll take it.
You guys got yourself one fine machine.
Yeah,
Thanks,
I don't know
bud.
how a bird pooped on the dash.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure I know how.
I mean, that actually, I pooped on the dash.
How I did that.
All right, so Cooper, not only is it 2020, I'm not a really superstitious guy, but it also is Friday the 13th. What could possibly go wrong?
Nothing at all.
Well, we got the only green one.
Yep. Not sure if that's a win or a downfall. We get what you get, you know? That's how this race is. You get what you get.
All right, guys, I'm sure you guys know Matt from Demolition Ranch. Well, we just happened to bump into him here, and he hasn't had some time going round and round, so I'm going to be the idiot that's probably going to wreck him into the wall as we're trying to warm it up.
Before the race.
Yeah. So we're going to go for a quick little ride in the Wheelman car, and see, I thought we were going to be able to drive our own car, and ours, you know, as you saw a little earlier, doesn't sound so good. So we're going to go rip this one. We know this one runs pretty good, so, and he'll be able to rip it too, so this is going to be a lot of fun.
Let's do it.
It's not something that I want to do. It would basically be like pass a kidney stone for, you know, that's kind of like, they're miserable to work on. The software, the old stuff, it really is awful.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm trying to remember, I want to say most everything is like second gear, and we'll just gradually be gaining speed. And I'm trying to, so we'll work through the line a little slow. And dude, there are some super nasty bumps.
Yeah.
Gotta watch out for those.
This is Jeremy with Fasterproms. He's taking me around on the track.
You can see they're like a soup machine right there.
Yep. Oh yeah, bank turns are cool.
Yeah, they definitely got a neat experience. I mean, after a while, you'll start to, you know, it does tax you. Trying to get these tires a little bit warmer. We can definitely take a lot more speed.
Yep.
What's that?
What are you hitting on those straightaways?
Probably, I don't remember. I'm like not looking at it right now. We're just gonna wait a little bit longer to get some tire pressure, but imagine there's 20 people, it gets to be complicated.
Bumping everyone.
Yeah. All right, so we're going about 50 right now.
Yep.
We'll probably hit about 60.
Yeah, 60, 65 maybe.
And just smooth inputs, man. So you said you've been doing some road coursing before, right?
I have done them, yeah.
And we're not spraying or nothing, but like, you know, the only time you really get a benefit from this spray, yeah, I think we're about almost out of fuel. Yeah, we're literally get some more fuel real quick here.
What happened there, Sport?
It's actually about out of fuel there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Need some fuel?
Yeah, he was going to take a couple laps probably, so.
Did you guys sign the thing?
Yeah, we did. Well, he did not.
Totally did. Yeah,
Yeah,
I totally
Well, I'm
did.
gonna grab.
So there was a little wasp nest right in there, and there's a guy right there that almost stung you. One of them was after you.
He was trying to get me.
Yeah, he's right there. Hey, there's a wasp nest inside your fuel tank. I literally just like, look at him. Look at him. No, I just knocked it down and they went after him. Well, in lieu of actually driving our own car, this is the next best thing, so.
Yeah.
So yeah, dude, there's a lot of really competitive guys, honestly. This is stacked so good.
That's good.
It gets to be pretty wild with like this many people, you know. And sometimes you can hook the inside and it's pretty good. I mean, but I mean, as you pull out, sometimes you can't get down there, so it's kind of just like, yeah. You can start to feel a little bit of ease there. It's hard to see there. But like I said, there's a couple of really nasty bumps here and there as you go out.
Matt, do a little burnout before you take off. Yeah. He can't. He's scared. He can't do a burnout.
Power up, power out. When you turn in too early, you see how it kind of puts in the wrong spot. Let it carry out. And then you start to reel it in. Bring her on down right there where that slide button is. That's much better. Power out a little. As we hit the apex, you power at the apex. Nice and smooth. A little early of a turn in. Yeah. Throttle nice and smooth out. Score after doing this for an hour, and yeah, you will. Carry out. So just remember you're doing an oval, and right about, that's still a little early of a turn in. Okay. And then we want to be inside there hooking that. Yeah, that doesn't sound too far out. Go out. Alright, start to bring it in on that concrete patch. Nice, good smooth steering input. Real nice. Power out. Power out, stay straight longer. Now bring her nice and smooth. If we're still too high there, that's fine though. Bringing her in. Nice, nice. A little more throttle. Nice, nice, nice. That's good. Finish the carry out. That's better. That's even faster. Yeah, yeah. So you carry a couple mile an hour too much, and then you kind of pay the. It's better to be slow in, fast out. So you got this, though, man. Good job, good job.
Parking, or are we going out?
Yeah, I mean that's good. That's good. I just wanted to get you a couple laps and stuff anyway. So good job, brother.
That was fun, thanks.
How do you feel after driving with a mullet now?
Well, guys, I cannot wait till tomorrow. This is going to be so much fun. There's such an awesome group of guys right here. It's going to be a hell of an awesome time. Guys, get your tickets right now if you haven't got them yet. You been around before?
Nope, never.
Oh yeah, man, it's
It's
awesome.
gonna be interesting.
Oh yeah, this one doesn't open. So open that one, and then this one right here, you get some airflow. All right, guys, this is Kyle from 1320 getting some hot laps in there, just trying to get the track all figured out. Yeah. It's an entirely different experience, you know, trying to get the feel for that super sloppy car and getting it all in line. All right, so we got a fresh tire change. Jamie's gonna hit it. Brand new, fresh Nitto tire right here. We started to cord that last one, so kind of got to a point where it wasn't really safe, but we got a big question as to how long these tires are going to last. All right, so you say it's a little bit tall of a sidewall?
Yeah, so, and plus you want it to be able to retain its shape, especially when you're rolling here on the left corner, you know what I mean? One thing's for sure is that the initial setup on these cars, you know, and there's no alignments, custom alignments done on them. It's just showroom police stock, right?
Yeah.
And so you're relying, the tire's planning so hard on whatever is on it that it's rolling it over because it's planning it, right? And so it rolls over, and so you got all that flex in the sidewall, right? And you see it just rolling over the sidewall because it's still, the tire's still hooked to the ground, but you got this big, and it doesn't help that there's a big whomping V8 in the front of it. You know what I mean? Inevitably, you know, if we're talking technical, right, you take a sledgehammer to that other upper arm, so that way it bends it a little bit, and then that'll add the camber, and now you're using the whole tire rather than just the corner.
Yeah.
And it's going like this off camera.
And we're wearing the inside of the inside
Yeah,
wheel.
on the inside, you're wearing the inside, so it's a camber thing. Obviously, with you going on left, right, the front tires would be like this.
Yeah.
So that way when it rolls over, it's square, and the sway bar ain't on it, I bet.
Yeah. Well, good info, brother.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Wanted to share with you real quick what we had done with Matt. It was basically just a really brief, quick little shakedown. It's so cool that we have so many different people of so many different backgrounds, you know, entering this race. It's going to be awesome. We've got guys on one end of the spectrum that have extreme racing experience, and then the other end of the spectrum is guys that have virtually none. So this is a hodgepodge mixed bag. It's going to be wild. Super awesome of Nitto to sponsor this event. Now it is really interesting here. Ron from Nitto, as you saw right there, he did some quick math and he figured out how many laps we're supposed to have. And this is going to be wild. He actually has some major concerns about how long these tires are going to last. This is not a sprint. This is a marathon. So we're going to have to see how this goes. I mean, Cooper and I have a game plan. I'm super pumped to be working with Cooper. This is going to be crazy for sure. We don't get a tire change. This is going to be so wild. So I don't know. We might even build into the strategy that we, you know, intentionally take a couple laps, you know, as a penalty to change a tire. I don't know yet. Since I'm driving second, I'm probably going to get the car with the tires being darn near shot, but so is everybody else. So it's going to be an incredible war of attrition out there. But can't wait for tonight. It's going to be awesome. Hope to see you guys there. So God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next episode.